HalferLand videos.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to HalferLand videos. Alright, today I got a good little treat for you. I am going to get my J32 dynoed. So, to recap, the motor is a J32 A3 bottom end, J37 A1 upper, basically heads. I have a custom spec stage 2 cam. That obviously is a custom cam that I spec'd out. I actually will be making a little bit of tweaks to that now with the after I dyno and see what it makes. I have Bisimoto valve springs, dual intake throttle body, or dual throttle body intake manifold. Sorry, driving here. And then a dual 3-inch to single 5-inch intake with a K&N, I think it's a 7 or 9-inch intake filter. So nothing special there, but that's the gist of it. Full exhaust, so pre-cat deletes, zero cats whatsoever, to single 2.5 exhaust to split to dual 2.5s. So basically, man, it's a 2.5 and then it splits to two 2.5s. Honestly, I think of it as a single 2.5. Really, that split is just doing not much. It probably does help a little bit, but I would honestly much rather have a single 3-inch. But from what I understand, it's getting pretty loud at a 3-inch. I already have dual resonators, so I have the stock resonator that came on it, and then I have a vibrant ultra quiet resonator. It helped out a lot with drone. It's still a little raspy above like 335 on D cell, but while in the throttle, man, it sounds fucking amazing. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but all right, guys, here I go. There's the hard rock right there. I will catch up to you once I get back, or once I get to the dyno. All right, guys, see you in a little bit. Alright, guys, here we are. We're back at the dyno. Gonna dyno my J32 A2, or I'm sorry, J32 A3, J37 heads.
Yep, here we go.
So here we go.
You want 4th gear pull?
Yeah. Let's see what she does. It's a spec cam. Oh, you got it off already. All right, you're good. That's the spec 3+ clutch.
You want me to take it to 7?
Yeah, 7, please. Huh?
310.
310, baby. 310. NA. Eat them balls, man. Look at that shit. 254. I thought it was gonna put down a little more torque. That's all right though.
It must have been in a different gear last time, but it made same power in this gear. Okay, there we go. All right, so run 6. Run 6 was we must have did a 5th gear pull. All right, so run 6 was last time with your other engine. Let me change.
That was on nitrous though.
Was that on nitrous?
No, that's not right. That's not me.
Sure?
That's not my numbers. No. Mine were 345, 340 on nitrous.
Okay, there you go.
That's my last NA right there. Okay, perfect.
Okay. So that must have been on spray. Wow. So you're making what you were making on spray.
No, it made 345, 340 on spray.
Maybe All right, so if this is your all motor run, then
that's my old motor, yeah.
All
so
right.
this is the J30 at 267, and that's the J32 with the J37 head. There you go.
Yep.
Damn, bro. Looks like I should lower my VTEC. Correct? No, raise it.
I would probably
Raise it. No, because it's dipping up top, right? So I want to raise it.
Yeah, maybe raise it a bit. Maybe
I was
somewhere around
in
here.
5. All right. Awesome, bro. Awesome, awesome. Still decently pulling up top.
Somewhere around 5.
It looked like it was about to plateau, right? I mean, it's pulling a little better than the J30 up top.
Oh yeah.
What do the air fuels look like? Look, right here. That's not pretty.
Oh yeah, there's a gigantic gain up top.
Yeah.
267, 39.
Guys, I am so fucking stoked right now. The car made 310, 254, so 255. It made 310 horsepower, 255 torque. I knew it was gonna do 290 plus horsepower, and I thought it was gonna do in the 255, 260 range in torque. And it looks like it was right fucking on the numbers. It actually put down more horsepower than I anticipated. But right now I need to go through the my map, and I need to adjust some of the fueling. So my tune, dude, I mean, you guys, that's my tune. And I'm not sitting here tooting my own horn. I'm just letting you know, you guys can tune your fucking car if you want. Just be safe, be careful, and tune conservatively to start, and then start edging it up there. This is all street tuning right there. I don't know if you can see that map anymore, but this is all street tuning, and then this is the first time this motor has been on the dyno. So let me get to this, guys, and so we can get doing. All right, here we go. Run number 2. What? All right. 316, huh?
Yep, VTEC transover with the transition was way better also.
The VTEC swap?
Maybe
All right.
bump it up another 100 RPM or so.
All right, man, I added more fuel, more time, and it picked up 6 more horsepower, added about 2 degrees. I moved the VTEC up, and you can see the engagement. You see how the blue line dips down? When it dips, that means you want to increase the VTEC up. So that's what I did, and you can see that it is just a tiny little hump. I'm going to increase it a little more. You can see 315, 5.6 versus the 310, 260. Also picked up 6 pound-feet of torque. So that looks good. It's still leaning way the fuck out right there. Should be the last pull. I added a little bit of timing and try to clean up the air fuel a little bit. Beautiful. The final pull was a 315.94, 262. That is we reached the limit of this motor, so this was actually with less timing, a little more fuel, made 315, 362. That is fucking awesome, you guys. That is awesome. I do need to clean up the air fuel, but I can do that at home or on the street. I don't have to be here. This was 100% just getting a dyno, just a comparison to see what the car was doing, and I will see if I can get him to put the old J30 map on here. There you go, you guys. Old J30, this was the last dyno. I've actually dynoed it and it was 275, so over time it lost a little power, but this was the very last dyno on that J30. It was 267, 268, 222, so basically 230, and you can see the gains, 315 to 262, and just fucking beast. Up top it just keeps pulling, and that's up to 7. So guys, I'm fucking stoked. I love this little car.